For instance, mastering this common idiom in academic writing. Hello, English learners. Today, we'll dive into the world of idioms, focusing on the academic and professional realm. We're zeroing in on the phrase, for instance. This idiom is widely used when presenting evidence or examples in academic writing. So, let's get started. For instance, is an idiomatic expression used to introduce an example that supports the point or argument you're making. It's a synonym for phrases like, for example, or, such as. You can use it to give your reader an actual case that represents what you're talking about. Let's use it in a sentence. Many cities are struggling with pollution. For instance, New Delhi often experiences high levels of air pollution. When using, for instance, in your writing, it's essential to make sure that it introduces a relevant example. The example should directly relate to the argument or statement you made before introducing the example. Here's another sentence for you. There are many endangered species in the world. For instance, the Amur leopard is considered critically endangered due to habitat loss. While, for instance, is commonly used in academic writing, it's also good to know and use other idioms for variety and to avoid repetition. Other phrases similar to, for instance, include, for example, such as, to illustrate. Even though these idioms serve the same purpose, remember to use them interchangeably to keep your writing interesting and dynamic. Now it's your turn. Try to write a couple of sentences using, for instance. Remember, the key is to use it when providing an example that supports your argument. Write about your favorite topic, make an argument, and give an example using, for instance. Mastering idiomatic expressions like, for instance, can greatly improve your academic and professional writing. They give your writing a natural flow and make your arguments more compelling. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature to you. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, keep learning and growing.